and swung right round. Taxi driver pulled in there and swung right round every lane.
Fucking asshole, yeah. What the fuck?
We need to go now.
A brand new thriller.
This isn't going away. I think you need to tell me the truth.
Oh. The fuck? Fucking eyeballs!
Everyone has a breaking point. Practice.
I think our light was green.
Ours?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that.
Where's these wee rears?
What's
There they are.
these?
Look at this. Are these even gonna get out of the way? This fucking van's
No.
oblivious. Jesus
10 minutes
Christ.
later.
I know.
Fuck, he comes out in front of them.
Oh,
Jesus
Christ.
Christ.
Fucking twat. Jesus Christ.
What the fuck?
Did you see that?
He's on a phone too, I think.
Is he? I don't know if that was on purpose or not.
You see the shape of that?
What the fuck?
It was like my dad doing the fucking...
Oh, fuck. Harder to see.
Jesus Christ.
You fucking.
That wee wanker from before.
I don't know.
I know he bastard ended up behind me and then ahead of me.
Fucking undercut you in the right. Not fucking statement. Fucking idiots.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
How fucking oblivious do you have to be? Yep, it's now, bye. Holy good fuck. The
Thanks.
fuck? Fucking retard of the hat pedigree. That was weird, them two were walking in a perfect fucking lockstep.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Fuck me, how much of a hurry is this cunt in? Look,
Oh, right on.
fucking in and out and in and out. Fucking
Fuck us.
shaking all
I wish the
about.
legs would change the bastards.
I know. Fuck. The fuck? now that was definitely a fucking red light. Holy fuck.
Oh fuck.
Oh fucking hell.
Holy good God of all fuck. Oh Christ.
Oh, the fucking front end of that is absolutely gone.
Video protected.
Hammond, you idiot! You reversed into the sports lorry! No.
What a cunt. Oh, he just hit that.
Who hit what?
He just crashed into that.
I drove on.
Oh, fuck. What the fuck?
I said, it's not my fault. You can't listen during the presentation, but the facts are the facts. He said, well, they're not the facts, it's been updated. I said, yes. I said, you okay?
I've just been hit.
Oh, shit. You okay? At the back?
Ah, she run into me. Where
At
was
the
she
back?
going? No, at the side.
I'll let you go, sort yourself out.